hello guys welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V tutorials. Today we'll be looking at how you can find a trading signals on Binance and also buy it to make a profit from it. So how do we go about this? Before I dive into this, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do to subscribe, like my videos, and also share my videos so that lots of people can gain value from this amazing content. Okay, I've dropped something of this very nature in the past, but on different exchange. But today we're doing it on Binance because as it is, Binance is the most famous exchange platform in the world today. Okay, so let's quickly dive into that. So before that, I would also like to inform you that my Telegram community link will be at the description sections, and also the WhatsApp will be there as well. If you do have any question, you can come there straight to drop it, or you can as well drop it at the comment sections, and I will attend to you ASAP. So what you just need to do is simple. You can take a look at the whole stuff here. Okay. You can take a look at the whole stuff here. But the most important thing we'll be looking at here is right here. You can see here. Do you see this sign? It's a sign of pumping, like sign of fire. Okay. Like something is catching up. You see this place? You see a lot kept displaying here. So whatever is displaying here is the coin you need to invest in massively and make profit. There is no doubt about that. Let me make it clear. What you just need to do is to navigate yourself to this place, focus carefully, and see what shows up there. Whatever coins that Binance is displaying there are the most famous popular coin that Binance is advertising for you to buy. And the sign you are seeing here, as I said earlier, is a kind of catching up, like it's catching fire, like it will pump. It's been famous. Okay, so let's look at it. If you look at this place carefully, you can see IOTA, IOTA here. You can see AP13. Okay, you watch carefully, you see auction as well. Okay, let's start from this auction. And you will also see a total. So all those things that have been advertised there are the most important coin you need to buy on this very exchange called Binance. So this is the best place you can get your trading signal without kidding. All right, so let's quickly take a look at the auction. Let's take a look at the auction first. Let's take a look at the auctions. Now we are here at the auctions. We're looking at the price, the informations, the trading data, and the square if possible. Okay, you can see the order book down here, how it kept fluctuating. You can see the bearish and the bullish. You can see both of them here. Okay, so what do we say now? Is it bearish or bullish? So it levels now make it good for investment. You can see it's taking another spot. This has been going down, but now it's taking another support that is about returning to its base, or even more than that. Let's see how it has been doing in the past one day. Click on the one day. If you click on the one day, you see that it has been doing well. You see, it drops all the way from where? Wow. It moves all the way from 8.9 to 68. This is a serious pumping, and it has dropped to more than half of what is pumped. That is a serious movement. You can see this shows that you can also invest on it because it's highly flexible. and you make a lot from it. So can we look at the 4 hours? Let's look at the 4 hours. Okay, and what about it 15 minutes? You can see from here was what time? It was March 22, which was today. Wow, you can see. And this was also today. Just few hours difference. So what is the possibility of it returning? It will definitely add further. You know why? Because Binance is still advertising this very cryptocurrency coin, which is why it will definitely return. Okay, so what are we looking at? We're looking at it to move to 51 and above. Oh, just over 51. I'm going to come back to make this video again. You know why? Because we need to see whether this works or not. Okay, we need to see whether those signals are working or not. Whether this advertisement is genuine or not. Okay, all right. So let's go back there to see another one. The next one I want us to look at is AP13. You can see here. AP13. Okay, we're going to look at AP13. Okay, so AP13 is actually not here. You can click on more. AP13 is actually not here. So what do we need to do? You can see here. AP13 is here. You click on more to search for AP13. And where is it? It has pumped already. You can see it has moved on already. It's roughly having 39% already. Wow. It's having 39% already. You can see it. So the question is, will it return? Will it move further because it's still on advertisement? Yes, it will definitely return further because it's still on advertisement. Okay, it's still on advertisement. This is the current price. Okay, this is the plus it has earned already. Okay, you can take a look at the trading data to see how exactly it's doing. Do you still need to buy or you need to wait? The answer is yes. You still need to buy because it's still on advertisement. And as I told you earlier, this is one of the best way you can get your trading signals on Binance. Okay, it's the best way you can get your trading signal on Binance. So do not what? Do not kid with that. Okay, do not kid with that at all. So let's go back there to see another one, just like one more, so that this video will not be like too long. Okay, coming back to this search bar. Coming back to this search bar, we're going to look at IOTA. This one, we're going to look at IOTA. Okay, so you come to this place to click on more. If you click on more, you're going to search straight for this IOTA. If it's not showing up here, you're going to like search for it. Okay, let's search for this IOTA. IOTA. So IOTA is here. Let's take a look at this. It's trading against what? It's trading against the USDT. Okay. All you just need to do is to make sure, compare the time I'm dropping this video. I'm not actually asking you to buy this particular coin. I'm just like showing you how you can find your trading signal. Don't forget the title. This is how you can find your trading signal. So each time you come across any and you look at it and it's promising, because all those ones have taken direction already. You look at it and it's very promising. You can just go on, dive into it, buy it. When you make profit, you step out. That's all. It's very simple. Okay, so looking at the 1 day of this one, how has it been doing? It was doing well. What about the 4 hours? It was also doing well in the past 4 hours. But for the past last 1 hour, it has started declining. Even for the past 4 hours, it started declining as well. So I'm not asking you to buy this particular coin. I'm only asking you, or I'm only showing you how you can find your crypto trading signals on Binance. No stress about it. Okay, you can take a look at down here. So see its risk. This token undergone significant changes to its tokenomics. Token supply has or will increase significantly. You can see, though it's risky, but you need to make your research properly. As I said earlier, you don't need to buy those ones. But if you see that the market is promising for them, you can still buy. But the essence of this very video is to explain to you how you can get your trading signals on Binance. Simple. Okay. Now I do hope that you gain value and learn a lot of lecture from this very video. So before you go, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, like the videos, share the videos, so that a lot of people may gain value from this. Alright? So thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next class. Don't forget, my community is on. You can dive into it and let's keep communicating. The Telegram channel link will also be communicated. It will be dropped at the description sessions and also to the WhatsApp. If you do have any advert, please, you can chat me up on WhatsApp and I'll put you on immediately. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.